Hi, my name is Anna. I have been living alone for a while now. But, a few days ago, I got a new companion. His name is Aragon. He does what I ask. He turns lights and music on and off, and adjusts the blinds for me, all without needing an internet connection. What I say at home, stays within my four walls. My companion also keeps an eye on what I do. Hey Aragon, introduce yourself.
Hello, I am ARAGON Companion. I have quite a few small helpers here in the apartment that tell me what is happening.
I stay here and check if anyone comes past. Each time something happens, I let the companion know.
Whenever the front door is opened or closed, I tell the companion.
That's right. And that way I can work out easily whether Anna is home or not. But that's not all. I learn when Anna gets up in the morning, how often she goes to the bathroom and how long she stays there, and when she makes breakfast. If next day, her routine changes from her normal one, I ask her if everything is okay. There are also other helpers here. The light switch also helps me.
That's right. When Anna pushes me, I tell the companion.
And that is a good sign. If the lights are not turned on in the evening by either voice or switch, I know that there could be a problem, so I can ask her if I should call her son.